welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Today I have an exciting video, but first comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell just so you know you get notified every time I post. I am breaking out, so forgive me on that, and that's why I'm not wearing any makeup, because I'm really trying to heal my skin. So today I have a video talking about BOXYCHARM. I did make the switch, guys. If you knew, I had IPSY before, but I made the switch to BOXYCHARM to see what that's all about, because my IPSY wasn't as exciting. I started in February and didn't like it. Ended in April. I like the little bags, but I just wasn't too fun. Ooh. I did the switch. I have a BOXYCHARM right here. This is my second one. I did record for the first one. Didn't like how it looked in it, but I did like that last box. I got a whole freaking curling wand. So this is my first time reacting with you guys to the box June 2020. So we're gonna get started, because so far I'm liking my BOXYCHARM experience more than I did with oh my god. Okay, stop playing. See, all right, I like BOXYCHARM 100% more than IPSY. See, I even forgot its name. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about this because, okay, I'll show you guys what's in the box. Okay, so first they give you like what's in your box. I'm so excited. I am so excited because I got Kylie Skin, and I wanted to try that. I really wanted to try her stuff out, because you know I just want to know the tea, because you know, celebrity things, you know, you want to just make sure, because you know I'm in school for aesthetics, so I be asking my teacher about everything, like the ingredients and all that. I'm like, girl, is this legit or not, you know? But I like that I got a coupon. That's so cool. That's fab. I'm gonna like hang this up somewhere because it matches my room, because she matches my room, and we both love pink. So I'm excited about this box. So since you saw that, the first thing we're gonna introduce today is the Kylie Skin foaming face wash. Y'all, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain its moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses the skin by helping remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Let me see what the ingredients are. Water, of course, because that is the cheapest ingredient. Where is the citric nitric? Because that's what citric acid is. Okay, that's vitamin C. Only thing is, I hope it's like nanotechnology, so it doesn't oxidize, because if vitamin C oxidizes, then there's no more vitamin C in the product. So that's kind of like sunscreen. It doesn't, and like different things, it breaks down. You don't want it to break down. So I'm gonna ask my teacher. But I'm so excited about this, because I wanted to try something from her line, and that's the foaming face wash. So already we are on a great start. BOXYCHARM, like, I am loving BOXYCHARM. My IPSY was never exciting. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. Look, I like the little cute bags, but I'm just being like, this is it. All right, now we got Lily Lashes mascara. We got the mascara going on. Oh my gosh. Triple times mascara. What is this triple? What's the difference? The extra lengthening, extra volumizing, and extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. Oh, and that is for $24. Oh yeah, the Kylie Skin foaming wash is $24, and this is also $24. So I think this box is only like $20 a month, or $24 a month, $25 a month. Still, girl, I am loving this box. I'm loving this box. This is what it looks like. I love how it feels matte. It feels. And that's the one. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. I usually don't wear mascara, but if this is life-changing, I'll let you know. Because, as you can see, you don't see my lashes at all, because that's like I don't have any lashes. They're so short and stubby, you can't really see them. All the hair is on my head, so. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Oh, then we have, oh, y'all. We have the Laura Gellier, I don't know, girl. Multitasking eye lip cheek palette, cream to powder trio. It's shades of nude. Okay, shades of nude. This is what it looks like. And what this is retails for $24. It's a 3-well multitasking cream to powder face palette that includes 2 finishes, demi matte and a subtle shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. The silky, smooth, transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. So this is the palette, shades of nude, like I said. Don't disappoint me. Okay. All right. It's cute. Okay, let me take that off because I was like, why is it glare? That's what we're playing with. That's right there. That's what we have. This is a shimmer. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, it's so fun. I can definitely use this. I'm just put it on my nose just to cause a distraction. I was already shiny, but yeah, you can see it. And it's supposed to turn into a, yeah, it's a cream first. Yes, I'm loving this. This box is great. I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but I am. So next we have, we have the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub for sensitive skin. It's an exfoliant. And it's FAB, First Aid Beauty. So this is what it is. It's in purple, my other favorite color. This retails for $18. It's a fast-acting resurfacing body treatment. Contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. Girl. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooths away any bumps, roughness, or stubborn, scaly areas. Alright, this box has saved the day because I was struggling with my, you know, some stuff anyway. So this is saving my life. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Apply to wet skin, gentle, blah, blah, blah. What's in here? Okay, pumice. Wow. Glycolic acid, which is a exfoliant, a chemical exfoliant. Wow. Lactic acid. Oh, they put it both together. Okay, that comes from the lactic protein, and it's also a exfoliant that's basically resurfaces your skin, and basically a milk bath. When you take a milk bath, that's what milk, the black day, just exfoliates it, eats away the skin. So if you don't know that, yeah, now you do. Glycerin, okay. Sodium hydroxide. Oh, okay. Wow. Yes. Yes, you should be looking like a new creature with this, okay? Because of the ingredients. So that's what we have here. My nails are growing because I've been taking my collagen. So they've been growing fast. Okay, we have one more. That last item is a KAB Cosmetics Lip Duo, which retails for $40, okay? And it's a charming lip duo. It has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented, yes, duo is perfect for a night out in a town or a casual everyday look. Use a liner and a gloss together or each on their own. So this is what it looks like. I love that holographic thing going on. Okay, y'all know I love packaging. Y'all know I love me some packaging. So this is called Charming. Cruelty free if you were curious. I'm excited. Let's see. I love a good lip. Oh, this is pretty. So this is called Charming. This lip is like thick, man. This is like big. Okay, this is big. This is a lip liner. Who's messaging me? Okay. And let's see. Okay, very pretty. I loved how easy that was. It's really creamy. Creamy, creamy, creamy. Very creamy. Okay, and then this is a lip. I love the applicator already. I love big applicators. I don't know why. I love the smell of that. I should just put it on my lips. I got some under my nose. Oops. See, that's what happens when you get big applicators, but I end up putting, my lips are so small, put them underneath. Oh god. Very soft on the lips. Would I wear this by itself? Absolutely not. But with a brown liner, I would. Cause it's pretty. I just gotta make sure my brows are in. If I wear it by itself, I will have to make sure my face is done, or at least not flawed, or at least on with lashes on. Otherwise, it's a really pretty. It's a very pretty color. So, yeah, very pretty. I like that color a lot. Wow, it's really pretty. So yeah. This is the end of the BOXYCHARM. This is annoying me. Okay, that's the end of the BOXYCHARM thing. I'm sorry. IPSY adios. Girl, let me tell you. Look at this ghetto. Look, I love me BOXYCHARM, y'all. I'm so sorry. If this is hurting your feelings or you don't like my sense of humor, oh well. But girl, I love me some BOXYCHARM. So that's June 2020 for you guys. I love it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias, and stay tuned for more videos because I have a lot of things coming your way, guys. A ton. I have more hauls. I have a lot of things. I got things I'm launching. So stay tuned and follow me on all of my social medias, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye.